Today I'm pulling back the curtain on my YouTube channel and offering you a very special contest. Let's get started. This is a very special video here at Jessica Valant Pilates because it is celebrating 500,000 subscribers here on YouTube. That's 500,000 people subscribed to this channel. I am so honored to have you here and so thankful for whatever part you have played, whether it's watching a video, sharing this with friends, subscribing, liking, commenting, or joining me over in Unlimited or some of my other programs off of YouTube. I am so grateful that you have chosen to be here. In honor of reaching this milestone, I have a really fun contest for us here. But first, I'm going to give you a little history and context about Jessica Valant Pilates and how this YouTube channel started. So I've been a physical therapist and Pilates teacher since the year 2000. And then in 2006, my husband and I moved to Hawaii and we opened our own physical therapy clinics and Pilates studios. So I own 2 different locations in Hawaii. We lived there for years. It was our home. We absolutely loved it. And I had no intention of doing anything other than running those studios, seeing clients in person, having a staff, and serving the community. And I remember when one of my clients came up to me in 2013 and said, there's kind of this new thing happening called social media, blogging. There are things that you could be doing to actually advertise your services more. And I said, you know what? If you're willing to help guide this and tell me what to do, I'm willing to try. And that's really how it got started. I filmed my first YouTube video and you can go find it. It was uploaded in September of 2013 and I filmed it at my studio. Absolutely no lights. We didn't even have an iPhone. I don't think at that point it was some kind of camera we were using. No microphone, but I threw it up there. And over the next year, I put up a few videos here and there, not thinking much of it. Then we moved back to the mainland and I sold my studios and I wasn't seeing clients in person anymore. We had a 1-year-old daughter. I really felt actually a little bit lost in my career, not sure what I was going to do next. And I had a client reach out to me from Hawaii and they said, what were those exercises that you had me do for my knee injury? I don't remember. And I remember thinking, well, I can't really send my stick figure drawings right now, but I think I could make a video and probably put it on YouTube. And that was what really started the next part of the journey. In October 2014, I released my first scoliosis video, and many of you are probably here because of that video. It gained so much popularity and so many people found it and found the help it could give across the world. I was amazed at how many people reached out and said, thank you, I can't get to physical therapy, I can't get to exercise, I can't get to Pilates studios. I have small kids at home, or I live in a place that I can't travel, and this is serving me. And that was really the moment that I realized that there was power and things that could be given right through this screen, that I could film at home, that I could use my knowledge as a physical therapist and as a Pilates teacher to show you not only how to move your body, but to do it safely, to do it with some fun, and to really find some feelings of being empowered and strong in your own bodies. So over the past 10 years, this YouTube channel has grown. It has also spread to my own online offerings. We have different programs and workout calendars, and then my flagship program called Unlimited. That's my own subscription online service where you can find every single one of my workouts, full-length workouts, monthly workout calendars, recipes, podcasts, and an amazing community of supportive people. I love it over there. And to celebrate what YouTube has done and to celebrate you being here, I am offering 10 people a free month over at Unlimited. I've never offered this before, so I'm so excited to offer this. So 10 people are gonna win 1 free month over at Unlimited. But here are the steps that you need to follow to enter the contest. So you are gonna see below this video, there will be a link. So go to the description and you'll see a link and you're gonna sign up at that link. So that's gonna take you to an email list. And right when you sign up, you are going to be sent an email that has the link to enter the contest. So some important things to know. 1, the contest ends at midnight Mountain Time on Thursday, March 23rd. So you have until midnight Mountain Time on March 23rd, Thursday, to enter the contest. I also want to make sure that you have the email address info@JessicaValantPilates marked as safe in your email system, because it's going to come from that email address. So make sure info@JessicaValantPilates.com is marked as safe. Make sure you're checking your junk and your spam as well. So again, what you're going to do is go down to the description below and you're going to see a link and it's going to say sign up for the contest. You're going to enter your information there, and when you do, you're going to automatically be sent an email with instructions to enter. All right, so follow those directions. I would love to have you over at Unlimited. And even if you're already a member at Unlimited, if you don't feel like you need the service and you're happy here at YouTube, or if you're watching this video later on and the contest has ended, there are so many other ways to get involved. And again, I want you to know I am so thankful that you have been a part of this journey. Stay here on YouTube. We have many more years of amazing workouts and tips and tutorials coming. For that deeper dive, go check out Unlimited and see what we offer over there. And I will talk to you soon.